Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a bandana slash dust mask slash scarf. So basically it's just a square that I've sewn together, and then when you're done you're going to take both ends and just place them together, and mine's a 2-layer one. I decided to do that so that way it'll be nice and thick, and you just tie it around like this. You can wear it like this, or you can pull it down and wear it as a bandana slash scarf. So it's very versatile, very good for all the festivals coming up. Okay, so let me show you how to make this. Let's go ahead and get started. For this tutorial, the size that I'm going to be making is the size of a bandana, which I already own. So I'm going to be using that, and I can tell you the measurements if you don't own a bandana. So the measurements for this tutorial are going to be about 19.5 inches and 21.5 inches. So what I've done is I've put both my fabric right sides together, and I've placed my bandana on top of the fabric. So what I'm going to do is just cut a square the size of this bandana. Before you sew the entire thing, make sure you leave an open space at the end so you can turn it inside out. So you're almost done with it, so the next thing you need to do is turn it inside out. Make sure you poke all the corners out. For the open piece at the end that I talked about earlier, what I like to do, this may not be the way that everybody does it, I just like to tuck it inside and I'll just fold it, and then I just pin it together and then sew over it. So here's the end sewn together, and to me I think it looks fine. I know a lot of people will hand sew it, but that's just the way I do it. That's what I like to do.